Here we are at the minor track for RFC competition 2026. Imagine taking a massive 4x4 machine, stripping away every sensible limit and driving it straight up a near vertical mud cliff in the middle of a roaring monsoon. Welcome to RFC India, the Rainforest Challenge, universally ranked among the top 10 toughest motor races. Born in the dense, unforgiving jungles of Malaysia back in 1997 by visionary founder Louis J.A.V. The Rainforest Challenge was designed to test human endurance, raw teamwork, and ultimate mechanical survival. In 2014, the legend crossed the ocean to India, transforming the tranquil, emerald hills of Goa into the ultimate battleground for the nation's elite off-roaders. Why Goa in the monsoon? Because when the rains hit, Goa's natural red clay turns into sleek grease, rivers swell into torrents, and the terrain transforms into one of the most unpredictable tracks in Asia. Held across 8 intense days, during the peak of monsoon, competitors battle roughly 26 brutal special stages. Forget smooth highways or high-speed streets. Teams tackle pristine untamed wilderness in locations like Kepe, Raya, Botli and Verna. Here, victory isn't about flat-out speed. It's about calculated winching, precision navigation over slippery rocks, crossing waist-deep rivers, and surviving without snapping an axle shaft.
Hi, this is Chunawala. I'm from Mumbai. I am running this time car number 114. This is my 12th year in a row. I have been participating in RFC regularly, and it is like an anthem for all the off-roaders. Because, frankly speaking, this is the end of competition in India because we don't have anything bigger than this event. So any off-roader who's an enthusiast off-roader, it's his aim to be in this event, and to achieve a title in this event is something like a lifetime achievement. So everyone is fighting for that.
So you have been participating in this competition for 12 years?
Only 12.
Tell us about your achievements.
Achievements, it's like I have been winning. Last year I came overall 5th and I won the diesel category all over India. Even last year I happened to finish. No, last year I did a DNF. I couldn't finish. Uske pehle again the same thing happened. 5th or 6th I came and diesel category I won. I drive a diesel car. So diesel vehicle, touch wood, I have been always winning. But this time my brother Venkat will win from Hyderabad.
Tell us about your strategies.
Strategy, it depends on SS to SS. What you have to do, how you have to do, what kind of a tire pressure you have to do, and then what kind of a winching you have to do, what angle you have to do. It is all a coordination between a driver and a co-driver. The biggest problem in this arena is what pata hai, there are too many co-drivers outside the car. It's so easy to talk from outside. Come and sit inside and talk. It's so easy, dal. It's so easy to say from outside. But when you are in the car and when you are 90 degrees down, then I want to see how you perform. That's how you call it. And but these people, they just keep yelling and they spoil it. Half the moment they spoil the event. But it's okay, we are doing good and we are coming up, climbing up every day.
Ashish Gupta, founder and director of Cougar Motorsport, RFC India, brings together 25 to 30 elite teams every single year. Drivers and co-drivers travel thousands of kilometers from Kerala, Chandigarh, Delhi, Maharashtra, Arunachal and Himachal Pradesh just to participate in this sport. Supported by over 200 crew members, mechanics and international marshals, the scale of this operation is massive. Setting up these stages requires months of behind-the-scenes diplomacy. Cougar Motorsport works closely with local communities, negotiating access to private land, providing fair compensation for land usage, and securing environmental and safety permissions to ensure Goa's ecosystem remains respected. Here we have Aniruddha Shete with us. He has been participating in this competition for years, and now we'll listen to him talk about his team, his participation in this game, and his experience. Tell us about your experience in this game.
Hi. Actually, experience what I say. This is my 5th year in RFC India, so I'm enjoying the stages. This year's stages are so hard. What we are waiting for the stages we are getting this year. So stages are not doable, but we are trying our best to do it.
Tell me about your team and how the teamwork helps you win the race.
Yeah, I'm this year I'm participating in Team Mumbai. So Sam Bhai. So Sam Bhai is the boss of the Team Mumbai. So he's the backbone of me. So he's doing everything for me. Whatever is possible for me, he's doing that for me.
And tell us how you prepare for the race. Like what goes in before you come on the track.
Before coming to the track, to check the vehicle, the nuts and bolts and winches, oil and everything, we need to check it. Then the intercoms, the lots of things is there because it's an extreme game. So there are so many things to take a we have to check it every SS before the SS.
So do you prepare the whole year, or it's like when the competition comes you prepare and then?
No. It's like after the RFC, the next RFC preparation starts from the next day. Yes, this is a passion, different passion we are just following, but this is an awesome passion, I would say. Yeah.
Have you earned any titles in this game?
I was third runner-up in second runner-up in a petrol category in 2023. Yeah.
Yes.
And another that in Maharashtra SOC is there. So I am the 4-time champion of the SOC Pune event. Yeah, in extreme. Yes.
So you participate like all over India basically.
Yes.
So will you like to tell us something about the competition itself?
Yeah, we are participating in extreme. So always it's a extreme like a name. So the tracks are hard. So we need a best co-driver because it's a 50-50 combination. The driver and a co-driver. Even alone driver can't do anything. Even alone co-driver can't do anything. It's a joint venture of the driver and a co-driver. We need a good co-driver. We can do anything. Yeah. And in the end, it's a man and machine. That's it. It's helping you to go on top. So it's best.
Over the years, the absolute best have conquered the Goan mud. These victories are powered by insane engineering. We are talking custom-built rigs featuring portal axles for high ground clearance, rear-wheel steering systems, high-speed hydraulic winches, roll cages engineered for rollover survival, and massive bedlock tires. Beyond the roar of engines, RFC India gives a massive boost to Goa's monsoon tourism, proving that the Sunshine State is just as magical under heavy thunderclouds. It has birthed a unique motorsport culture, a community where engineering innovation meets raw human grit. It isn't just a race, it's man and machine versus raw nature. That's the RFC India.